Friends, we've now got the Huawei Mate XT Extraordinary Master, a real device with 3 folding screens. In this video, we'll do an unboxing and show you what this device looks like. I must say, this box is much larger than average phone boxes. After all, when unfolded, this phone's area is 1/3 larger than ordinary folding screens. We've got the 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage version in a sharp red color. All right, let's unbox it. We'll remove the plastic film. This is the device itself. Wow, it's so big. I have to say this device is really large, yet it's very thin when held in hand. Looking at its weight, the device seems to have low density. It's indeed a very light machine. Let's set it aside and look at the accessories. Next is the charging head. This charging head is Huawei's exclusive type, with a combined USB-A and USB-C port. Then there's the manual and warranty cards. Now let's take a look at the device itself. We'll peel off this protective film. I must say, this device is incredibly thin and very beautiful. The overall build quality is excellent, very exquisite. I'll be quiet for a moment to show you the device's appearance. Okay, let's fold it for the first time. Oh, the feel. It's a bit tighter than I imagined. All right, this is how it looks folded. Let's compare it with Huawei's Mate X. We'll compare their size, thickness, and screen area when unfolded. This is its unfolded screen area. It's indeed very large. Comparing with Mate X5, you can see it's nearly 1/3 bigger. When folded, the screen is almost the same as Mate X5 and regular slab phones. But what do you think? After seeing this unboxing of the Mate XT Extraordinary Master, would you consider buying it? Let us know in the comments. Later, we'll do an in-depth review. Keep following our channel. That's all for this video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.